Hello guys. Hope you are doing well. I am Zoya and I am here to share some ideas on how to use vlogs effectively for social influencers like you. But before that, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss the video from me. Today world is overflowing with loads of content around us, and thanks to social media platforms we're witnessing a drastic change in the information flow through content and get a chance to be social influencers. An influencer is someone who can influence people, and in influencer marketing, that influential person collaborates with a brand to promote something like celebrity endorsements. But in today's digital world, social content creators with niche audiences can often offer more value to brands. According to Forbes, live streaming has flourished by 45% between March and April 2020 due to pandemics and lockdown, as the audience has more time for consuming content more than ever. Thinking, creating and editing content takes a lot of time and pressure. Videos like vlogs and live streaming like Insta Live helps influencers to quickly produce content with little to no editing efficiently. Plus, the audience can connect virtually and feel relieved from the curbed physical experiences of connection with people. So how to get your content career to peak up with vlogs and live videos? Then, let's get into it. First, determine your goals and genre. Understand what genre of field you are interested in and what you want to serve your audience with. It can be makeup, gaming, food, fitness, etc. It can help you understand what type of live videos or vlogs you want to go with. You can go in with YouTube live streaming with your game, or maybe do fitness vlogs on your vacation destination. You can always combine various genres too. The second is to know your audience. Understand the pattern of their interaction. At what time does your audience interact with you the most? It can help you understand when to keep live videos and how to get tremendous live interactions with your audience. Next in the line is, always remember 3 R's, that is reach, research and relevance. Reach your audience as much as possible with live streaming. Do background research and get some ideas on how other famous social media influencers are using live videos and vlogs to promote themselves or their client's brand and be relevant to the utmost topics. Let's take an example. If you're a makeup artist social influencer, then you will talk about newly launched products, unbox them, give a live review, or sometimes give exclusive news on the launch of some makeup products to keep your audience hooked, updated and related. Fourth, collaborate with other social influencers for effective live and vlog content. Let's say you're a gamer, so you can create live videos or vlogs with other gamers by collaborating with them by making collab content about virtual reality gaming zone review, or a day at each other's gaming studio, etc. The more you collab, the more you will reach to a new audience and give your audience variety. You will most likely get connected to the collaborator's audience and make them your part of the audience as well. Fifth is, being consistent and draw outlines. You need to make lots of vlogs and live videos unless you get lucky and get hit as a viral video or something. Top content makers and social influencers post minimum 1 content per day on daily basis with consistency. For consistency to get more smoothed up and easy, you need to plan your daily contents beforehand using a planner and draw a rough sketch on what you want to do this/next week along with a backup plan so that you can stay focused and never get blank at the last moment. Last but not the least, just go with the flow. Daily vlogging is different from doing weekly videos. Flexibility is needed along with quick preparedness to edit and upload videos at any point of time, situation and place. The more you permit yourself to be flexible, the more you will get skilled with ease. Lastly, measure your results. Analyze the audience's feedback in comments or messages about your live and vlog content to reach and interactions, or look through social media analytics websites or their self-made analytics like YouTube has frequently to get feedback on your works and what you've done so far. It will help you understand the do's and don'ts, also gives you scope for experimentations. Whether you are a mega, macro, micro, or nano influencer, if you keep working hard with consistency and give yourself space and let yourself try some new challenges and change, then it always wins worthy in the end. There's no one-size-fits-all approach here, all are winners and all go through ups and downs here and there. Hope you find this video helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. See you soon. Take care.